Well, hello, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I am Uniquely Lavish if you are new. And today we're going to get into this gorgeous Ash Blonde lace front wig from Sensation. She gives the perfect length for this winter season. And most importantly, she gives body. Now, before we get into the deets, gorgeous, are you subscribed? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I'm extremely appreciative. Today we're going to be applying the sensational wet lace Zelena wig. Okay, she is synthetic, however, she lays. Honey, when I say she lays, this lays. She's equipped with the usual regular, smegular, degular, 3 combs, and adjustable straps. The hairline is a little bit on the thick side. However, it's only about a finger width amount of space in between the tracks and the hairline. So we're not going to do any tweezing. We're just going to utilize our good old Madam CJ Walker hot comb. Oh, did I mention that this wig is in the color Flamboyage, darling? AKA Ash Blonde, sis. Now, I chose to remove the lace prior to applying my wig. And, it's basically user's discretion when it comes to removing lace. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. I chose to remove mine before applying. I'm just going to slide her back a bit and take my Ebon, the yellow bottle. I know y'all like the black, but I like the yellow, okay? The Wonder Lace wig spray, because we're here for a good time, not a long time. And I'm just going to spray that on this hairline of mine. Yes, I have a 5 head. Don't come for me. Did I mention that this wig is big head friendly? She's very much so big head friendly. And we're just going to take our blow dryer on the cool setting and dry her down a bit until she gets a little tacky. Now, when the spray gets a little tacky, I like to take the back of my rat tail comb and just press the lace into the tacky spray. And then I like to spray just a little bit more and then go back in with my blow dryer on cool. The high comb being the key to lace display, we need to work in smaller sections. So I'm going to start in the middle and work my way over to each side. Now, I chose to tint my lace off camera prior to removing the lace. I tinted it with just a basic cream makeup. Now, you can use your spray or your lace tint. My product of choice is basically my foundation and my skin tone. It seems to work easier for me. Sometimes you have like the ragged edge of the lace that wants to stick up. You have to flip that rat tail comb over and use those teeth and press, that line into the skin so that it gives natural. Now, some people like to use an elastic band for their melt. I like to use a satin hair tie. This actually came off of a robe, honestly, but this is my melt belt of choice. Okay. Again, tomato, tomato, potato, potato. Now, because this gilda is synthetic, you want to make sure that you put your hot comb on a low setting, okay? This is not Easter Sunday, comb on the stove. You trying to get them, the kitchen and everything. It's not that. It's not that fun. It's most definitely keep your girl. If you have a number dial on your hot comb, I set mine between 250 and 300. If you don't have a number dial, crank it up, then turn it off and let it cool off a little bit. You get what I'm saying? And I'm more so focusing on that hairline area, you guys. I don't know why I gotta part my hair like this, but I'm going for a bust down, okay? But I'm more so focused on that hairline where I said that it was only a finger width amount of space in between, just to kind of thin it out a bit. And once I get my bust down part the way I want it, I'm going to go back in with it and lay it down a little bit flatter because this is a little bit too much volume for me. But I'm just playing with her because she is cute. Sis is cute. I think I'm feeling myself at this point. Oh yeah, that's the look. Okay, I'm gonna carry on. Okay, y'all, I can't help it. When I said sis gives body, like this hair gives body curls for the girls. You understand what I'm saying? Curls. And I tried to make the hairline as natural as possible. I don't know why I got my head bent all the way down in the camera, but I feel like you get what I'm trying to say. So this is the way that the hair came out, you guys. I absolutely love it. If you love it too, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching. See you later. We could go to lunch now.